Welcome to my channel. Now we'll see the problems in Chinese remainder theorem. The problem is given x congruent to 1 mod 3, x congruent to mod 5, x and x congruent to mod 7. So now we'll see how to solve this. So I'm going to start the solution. Okay, start the solution. So I'll write the question as it is: x congruent to 1 mod 3, x congruent to 2 mod 5, x congruent to 3 mod 7. Okay, mod 7. Now this one I have to take a1, a2, a3. Similarly this one m1, m2, m3. Just I'm writing here a1 is equal to 1, a2 is equal to 2, a3 is equal to 3. Next here m1 is equal to 3, m2 is equal to 5, m3 is equal to 7. Okay, so we can see here all this divisor, it should be a relatively prime. Okay, relatively prime. Now we have to calculate your capital M. Capital M formula is nothing but m1, m2, m3, product of this. So 3 into 5 into 7, just product of this. So our answer is nothing but 105. Keep aside. Next we have to calculate your capital M1. Capital M1. So formula is nothing but a capital M divided by small m1. So this one 3 into 5 into 7 divided by m1 is equal to 3. So this is cancelled. So you will get it. Answer is 35. Next we have to calculate your capital M2. Capital M2 is nothing but capital M divided by M2. So 3 into 5 into 7 divided by 5. This one cancels. So answer is 21. Next we have to calculate your M3. So capital M divided by M3, that is equal to 3 into 5 into 7 divided by 7. This one cancel. Answer is 15. So now we have to calculate your Y1, Y2, Y3, and we have to calculate Y1, Y2, Y3 we have to calculate. So what is the formula for that? That formula is nothing but here this one capital M1 into Y1 congruent to 1 into mod M1. So this is nothing but M1 answer is nothing but 35, Y1 congruent to 1 mod 3. So here 35 divided by 3 and whose remainder is nothing but 2. So this place I have to replace by 2. So 2 into y1 congruent to 1 mod 3. So next step I have to calculate to find the inverse of 2 under multiplication modulo 3 I have to calculate. So what should be, you have to multiply with 2. It should be, answer should be 1. Okay, so what you have to do here, so 2 under multiplication of mod 3, 2 multiplied by means 4 you will get it. 4 divided by 3 means you will get it. Remainder is equal to 1. So from this step multiply 2 on both sides. 2 on both sides we have to multiply. So what you will do here, both sides if you are multiplying means what you will get it here, 2 into under mod 3, 2 into y1. Right hand side also we have to multiply under mod 3, you will get it. So here 2 into 1, this is congruent to 1. Okay, so this answer is 1. So 1 into y1 is y1 congruent to 2 mod 3. So I got the answer for y1. Okay, keep aside. Next we have to calculate your y2. So same thing. What is the formula for your calculating y2? So here m2 y2 congruent to 1 mod m2. Make your substitution capital M2 under small m2. Capital M2 is 21 y2 congruent to 1 mod of m2. M2 is nothing but 5 here. So here this is mod under 5. Here 21 is there. So what you have to do, 21 divided by 5 means you have to get the remainder is equal to 1. So this one replaced by 1. 1 into 1, y2 is y2 only. So y2 congruent to 1 and here mod 5 as it is. So no need to calculate any inverse for this. Okay, because directly we are getting here y2. Next we have to calculate your y3. The same formula you have to write it. M3 y3 congruent to 1 under mod m3. So make your substitution m3. M3 is nothing but 15 and y3 congruent to 1 under mod M3. M3 is nothing but here 7. So against the same thing, 15 under modulo 7. So 15 divided by 7, whose remainder is equal to 1. So this one replaced by 1. 1 into y3 is y3 congruent to 1 under mod 7. So directly I'm getting answer here y3. So we got the answer for y1, y2, y3. Now from your CRT equations by CRT, I can write x is equal to summation of I varies from 3 values here. So ai, mi, yi under modulo capital M. So just expansion give a1 capital M1 y1 plus a2 m2 y2 plus a3 m3 y3 under modulo M. Okay, just replace all the answers here. So a1 is nothing but 1 into m2, m1 is 35, y2 is equal to 2 plus of a2 is equal to 2 into m2 is equal to 21, y2 is equal to 1 plus a3 is equal to 3 into m3 is 15 into 1 under modulo capital M is 105. So if you are adding all this answer, this one you will get it as 70 plus of 42 plus of 45 under modulo 105. So how to write now this one? 70 plus of 42 plus of 45, you will get it 157. So 157 divided by 105. So one time you will get it 105. So your answer is 2 and 5. So remainder is equal to 52. So that remainder only we have to write it here. Remind x is equal to 52 under modulo 105. So this one, you know that this one is the divisor, this one is nothing but a remainder. So how to write your next step? This one, so x is equal to general solution, x is equal to 105 into some quotient plus of your remainder. This is only the general solution. Okay, thank you.